Welcome to week 11 of A&P. I just want to make sure that you are each and every week thinking about what you are doing, that you are working throughout the week, you are printing your notes, punching holes in those, putting them in a notebook so that you will have them for future reference. Each week I have recorded your lecture. I have gone through that lecture to make sure that all of your test questions are included in that lecture. I have made a quizzes game that's all aligned with the lecture and with the quiz. And if you do these things, I promise you, you will have a great grade. Upcoming, we're going to have a unit test, and then you're going to have your proctored exams, your proctored finals. So you're going to have to know this material for those proctored exams. So make sure that you're working really hard each week so that you can retain this information for your future. Very important is your spring 2019 online course evaluation. You will actually receive 10 points just for completing the survey. It will be completely anonymous. I will have no idea who answered what. It is located at the top of modules in your online orientation module, and that is due by April 21st. Also, extra credit. I have posted a few weeks back, Survival of the Sickest for extra credit. And you will absolutely love it. I promise. You can read the book. The book is in PDF format. It's posted in the module, and it will be for 20 extra points on your final exam. It's due by April 28th. I have a series of questions there. All you have to do is answer one question from each chapter, type in complete sentences, and submit your document for extra credit. Please start on that early so that you can have that extra credit for your final exam. So this week we're going to be doing Chapter 9 module, and you're also going to have in that module, you're going to have a current event due. So it's going to just be a discussion. So when you go to modules, you'll see here Survival of the Sickest due April 28th for 20 points, and your online course evaluation, that will be for 10 points. Okay, and so your Chapter 9 will be the muscular system. That's what we're doing this week. This is extra ancillary material. I highly, highly suggest that you use what I spent hours and hours working on. Your notes, the PowerPoint, and then I have isolated the anterior and posterior muscle diagrams. These are the ones that will be on your lab final exams. Start studying these now. And I went over these in the Zoom lecture. Right here is the Zoom lecture where I modified the PowerPoint to align exactly with the quiz. And with your lab final exam, I went over the anterior and posterior muscles. Make sure you listen to that. It is very short, and it is a wealth of knowledge for you. I've also created a quizzes game. Go to this website, enter this code to play that game. So that is the information that I have provided for you. And when you look at modules, go down to, here's your Lab 9. So you've got your lecture assignment, your lecture quiz, then you've got your lab assignment, homework and quiz, and then your current event discussion. So we've only had the introductory discussion, and now we're having this current event discussion. So it's a very easy way to make a wonderful grade. All you have to do is type about a half-page discussion of an article or video that interests you, and reply to 2 others. Then examples of ideas for that is to do artificial blood, 3D printing, tears, why do we cry, using spinach leaves to create an artificial heart, any of those kinds of things. Or this simple little how bacteria rule over your body, your microbiome. It's about 7 minutes long. Watch that and write a little summary of that. and then see what other people do their report on as well. Superbugs, any of those ideas. If you're uncertain about your topic, email me and ask. So make sure that you check your grammar and spelling, punctuation, and all those things, and then look at the right here. I have a rubric. So you can see, choose a great article, a pertinent article, discuss the article, respond to 2 others, and give your thoughts on the article or the video, and then check your grammar and spelling for an easy 100. Okay, have a great week. Work hard. If you have any questions, please ask. Please get started early in the week so that you can have excellent grades. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful week.